Hi everyone, it's Valerie Sheridan with Easy Peasy Living. I'm back again with more Wednesday wisdom, and we are talking this month about making entertaining just a little bit easier. You know, sometimes it's very daunting, the thought of having a big crowd over. If you feel like you don't have the right equipment, and by that I mean, you know, sometimes you need a big place to put lots of cans of soda or bottles of beer or wine or whatever in order to keep it chilled and accessible to your guests. And if you don't have a big cooler for that, it can be a little bit daunting. So there are a few ways that you can get around this. Number one, if you are a member of a Buy Nothing group, this is where that can really come in handy. If you need extra folding chairs or an extra long table or a cooler that you can just borrow from someone, often people in your Buy Nothing group can really come through for you. Or just borrow from a neighbor. You don't have to go out and spend a lot of money that you want to put toward your party budget. You don't want that eaten up by having to buy a new table. So think outside the box a little bit when it comes to that kind of thing. Another thing is, you know, don't overlook things like if you have a big laundry basket, you can line that with plastic, maybe a plastic tarp or a big garbage bag, and that can be filled with ice and used as an ice chest if you need to. There are all sorts of clever little things like that that you can come up with. Those pop-up hampers that they sell at the Dollar Tree, line that with a garbage bag and voila, you have a couple of cheap and easy to store trash cans available to pull out for your party. You do want to make sure that you have plenty of trash cans available, that you have a recycling bin available, and that everybody at your party knows where they are so that they can help clean up after themselves a little bit. So I hope that you will give these things a try. Let me know if you have any other really great ideas on this. Email me anytime at valerie@easypeasyliving.com, and I hope that you will join us here again next week for some more tips on how to make entertaining over the holidays or anytime just a little bit easy peasier. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next week, keep it easy peasy.